Today we are going to talk about after-school activities in Russia. As we know, boys and girls don't spend the whole day at school. So let's talk about what they do when the school classes are over and they are free. But not everybody goes home after the last lesson. Many students, the most active members of the class and school, stay at school for social activities. They organize parties, conferences, games and meetings. The school library is open at this time for students who come to choose a new book or read an interesting magazine. For those who like to read online books, there is a computer club at school. There are different after-school clubs at school for different interests. In chess club, you will know how to play this famous old game. Maths club is for the students who love maths and enjoy friendly competition. Those who want to work on daily assignments and receive assistance are welcome in homework club. Sports sections are also very popular. Their members play games and go to the gym. Table tennis club, running club, football club are open for everyone who loves sport. There are plenty of outdoor activities for students. Parks and public gardens are great places to go rollerblading, cycling or skateboarding. In winter, you can visit skating rinks or ski runs. There are also climbing walls in gym clubs. Everyone can find their own activity. Traveling, visiting historical places, doing jigsaw puzzles, reading, shopping, helping people in need, and others. We can say, so many teens, so many kinds of activities.